Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will speak about Redmi K90 Pro or Pro Max, and in global version probably they will change the name to POCO F8 Pro or Pro Max. So don't be confused when you see this model's name. Always they share two different names but same products. So it is same with POCO F8 probably, and it released by Xiaomi near about 1 month ago. Today, first of all, we will see what they say on their websites. After that, I will tell you how was my experience, and at the end of the video, we will have conclusion part, which we will decide we should buy this model or not. Okay, let's go. First of all, we can see the screen size, which is 6.9 inches, and it's as big as iPhone 17 Pro Max and Samsung S25 Ultra, so it has very nice and big screen. About camera, it is 50 megapixel, which is I think same with other flagships. Near about 90% of flagships at the moment has triple 50 megapixel camera. About RAM and processor, it has two versions, 12 gigabyte RAM and 16 gigabyte RAM, but I offer you, if you want to buy this phone, try to buy 16 gigabyte RAM, because you will have the most powerful processor in the world at the moment, Snapdragon 8 Lite generation 5. So it is better idea that you also have powerful RAM for heavy duty or playing game. So about this information, it is also very good, and it's look like flagships. About battery size, it is 7560 milliampere hour, which is very good and very powerful. Again, you can use of this phone more than 2 days with one charge, and we know that Xiaomi is famous with their battery sizes. It has fast charging, 100 watt with wire and 50 watt wireless. It's very good. About network, it has 4G, 5G, 3G, and speed HSPA, LTE, and 5G. About body, it has glass front, dragon crystal glass, and aluminum frame, which is also used by iPhone, I think. So about quality of body, it was good, not fantastic, but was good. But it has nice design, and you know it has one signature, new signature, which is BOSE speaker, and it has BOSE sound system, which is very powerful, very famous company. They worked on their sound system, so it has very nice design, not very weird or very different design. For example, they also have Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max. I had one video about it. It has very nice, very different design, but it is simple, look like other smartphones. About SIM card, again, good news. It has SIM card place or SIM card jack, nano SIM and nano SIM. It has two SIM card places, which is very good. IP68, about dust and water resistant. About display, about resolution is 1200 times 2608, which is very good, very good quality. But in my experience, Oppo's screen was very better. So if you like to watch movies or videos or this kind of things, or you like to play games with very high quality, I think Oppo and OnePlus has better screen. But also here we have good resolution, good screen, but not as good as Oppo and OnePlus 15. About CPU is octa-core, we know it is very powerful. How about main camera? It has 50 megapixel for first camera. For second camera, that means for wide camera, 50 megapixel for periscope, and 50 megapixel for ultra wide. So it is same with other flagships. And also it has a spectrum sensor for color. About video, it can record 8K and 4K videos. But for 8K, it just record with 30 FPS, but for 4K, 30 and 60 FPS. About selfie camera, it has 32 megapixel, which is good. Not enough, but good. I think again, too many flagships has this camera. For this price, it is good. About sound, I told you it's powered by BOSE with Dolby Atmosphere. It doesn't have 3.5 millimeter jack, so this phone is tuned by BOSE about their speaker, about sound. About other features, it has fingerprint under display, and about it has messaging, SMS, email, push email, IM. I told you about charger. And about color, it has black, white, denim blue, and Lamborghini white, which was fantastic, guys. Lamborghini white was the best quality I have seen this year. Very nice quality. I also shared the video of Lamborghini white. Very nice quality. Very, 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 very good quality. I cannot explain how much I liked Lamborghini white design. I again show you here a video of Lamborghini white, and price is about 500 euro. So I think for this price, again, we have very, very good features, very nice smartphone. If you like to listen to music with very good system, it has both, so it's good choice for you. And if you want to have one phone with very good features but cheaper than other flagships, again, it is very good choice for you. But if you are looking for one smartphone to playing games with high quality screen, I think OnePlus 15 is better. It's not bad, but that's better about quality of the screen and quality of games, and your experience will be different with OnePlus 15. So, and also if you want to watch movies and videos, again, screen of last version of Oppo, I forgot the name. My previous video was about that smartphone, Oppo Find X9 Pro. I think it was like that. That screen, and better than that screen, OnePlus 15. They has a very nice screen, very good resolution, and also very good system. So for playing game between these models, I think Oppo and OnePlus is better. But about music, signature of this phone is BOSE, so you can have good experience if you like to play music with your phone. So you can choose this one. Generally, it was good phone in my hand, in my experience. It was very good about it. It got a bit warm and hot when I was working with it, which I didn't see in Oppo and OnePlus, but it was same with iPhone and Samsung. They also get a bit hot when you work too much with this or recording video. But in Oppo and OnePlus, it was not like that. It was surprised for me. So because of that, again, playing games and heavy duties is better with OnePlus, I think, because it doesn't get very hot or warm. So you will like that one for games and heavy duties. But also this phone is good for normal using and for have good experience about music. You can choose this smartphone. Write in comment bar, what do you think about Xiaomi? What do you think about POCO? Do you have POCO or not? And I will see your comments. I will answer your comments. Please support me. Like my video. It's not hard. It's easy for you, but it's very, very good for me. It's very, very good motivation for me to continue and make better contents for you. I hope I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.